Tracking your expenses doesn't have to feel overwhelming or time-consuming. In fact, with the rise of intuitive and accessible digital tools, managing your money has never been easier or more enjoyable. Whether you're trying to save more, cut unnecessary costs, or simply get a clearer picture of where your money is going, the right tools can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to share 10 of the best digital tools and practical tricks for tracking your spending and managing your budget. Each one either completely free or highly affordable, and designed to be simple, effective, and incredibly user-friendly. Number 1. Mint. First up is Mint, widely regarded as the king of expense tracking, and for good reason. This powerful and user-friendly app links seamlessly to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even your bills, giving you a real-time overview of your financial life. One of its standout features is its ability to automatically categorize transactions, saving you the hassle of manual entry and making it easier to spot spending patterns. It also tracks your spending trends over time and provides clear, easy-to-understand monthly summaries. Pro tip: you can set custom alerts to remind you about upcoming bills or to warn you when you're overspending in a specific category. Best of all, Mint is completely free. Number 2. YNAB. If you're looking for a tool that truly prioritizes budgeting and expense tracking, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, is absolutely my top recommendation. Unlike other apps that simply show you where your money goes, YNAB takes a more proactive approach by helping you assign every dollar a job. This strategy encourages mindful spending and ensures that every part of your income is working toward your financial goals. The app syncs effortlessly with your bank accounts, allowing you to track your expenses in real time and stay on top of your budget. It's also excellent for goal setting, whether you're saving for a vacation, planning a big purchase, or building an emergency fund. Bonus: YNAB offers a free 34-day trial and the subscription is very reasonably priced. Number 3. Pocket Guard. Next, let's talk about Pocket Guard, a fantastic option if you're looking for a simple and quick way to see exactly how much money you have left to spend. This app is designed with ease and efficiency in mind, making it perfect for anyone who wants to stay on top of their finances without getting bogged down by too many details. Pocket Guard tracks your income, bills, and daily spending in real time, then calculates how much is truly in your pocket after your essential expenses are covered. This clear overview helps you make smarter financial decisions on the fly. Pro tip: Pocket Guard shows you your safe-to-spend amount, helping you avoid overspending and stick to your financial goals with confidence. Number 4. Every Dollar. For those who prefer a zero-based budgeting approach, Every Dollar is the perfect tool to consider. Built on Dave Ramsey's proven budgeting method, this app encourages you to give every dollar a specific purpose, ensuring your income is fully allocated across expenses, savings, and financial goals. Every Dollar is incredibly easy to use thanks to its clean, intuitive design that makes budgeting feel less like a chore and more like a clear, manageable plan. It offers both a free and a premium version, with the premium option allowing for automatic bank syncing to streamline your tracking. Pro tip: if you don't mind entering transactions manually, the free version works exceptionally well and still provides all the essential budgeting features you need. Number 5. Good Budget. Good Budget is a smart and effective envelope budgeting app that helps you plan your spending ahead of time rather than just tracking it after the fact. It's based on the traditional envelope system, where you divide your money into virtual envelopes for different categories like groceries, entertainment, transportation, and more. This method promotes intentional spending and helps you stay disciplined with your budget. Good Budget is great for both individuals and families, as it allows multiple users to sync across devices, ensuring everyone is on the same page financially. Pro tip: it's free to get started, and while the free version offers plenty of value, upgrading to the paid version unlocks additional features and more envelope categories for deeper financial management. Number 6. Expensify. If you're tracking business expenses or need a reliable tool to manage receipts, Expensify is an absolute must-have. Designed with professionals in mind, this app makes expense reporting effortless by scanning your receipts and automatically categorizing your expenses with impressive accuracy. It's especially ideal for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners who want to stay organized without spending hours sorting through paperwork. Expensify also syncs seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, making financial reporting and tax season much less stressful. Bonus: there's a free version available for individuals which includes many of the core features, making it a powerful solution, even if you're just starting out or managing a solo venture. Number 7. Spendee. Spendee is an excellent all-in-one tool for both expense tracking and budgeting, offering a clean and visually appealing interface that makes managing your money feel less intimidating. One of its standout features is the ability to create customizable categories, allowing you to track any type of expense that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's daily coffee runs, transportation, or subscription services, Spendee keeps everything organized. The app also provides colorful, easy-to-read charts that give you a clear overview of your financial habits at a glance. It syncs with your bank accounts for automatic expense tracking. Pro tip: you can create shared wallets for household or group expenses, making it perfect for couples, roommates, or anyone managing joint finances. Number 8. Wally. Wally is another powerful and versatile tool that's perfect if you're looking to track your expenses while on the go. With its sleek and user-friendly interface, Wally makes it easy to monitor both your income and expenses in one convenient place. It's especially useful for frequent travelers, as it supports multiple currencies, so you can keep your budget on track no matter where you are. Wally also allows you to scan and store receipts, helping you stay organized and eliminating the need for paper clutter. Pro tip: you can set personal savings goals within the app and track your progress over time, making it easier to stay motivated and financially focused. Number 9. Zeta. For couples and families, Zeta is hands down the best budgeting tool available. This app is designed to help you manage shared finances, such as bank accounts, credit cards, and bills, all in one place, making it incredibly easy to stay organized and on top of your financial responsibilities. Zeta is especially useful for keeping track of household expenses, as it allows both partners to access and monitor spending in real time. The app also includes features for goal setting, so you can plan and track progress on shared financial objectives, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Bonus: Zeta is completely free for couples, making it an excellent and cost-effective choice for managing joint finances without any hidden fees. Number 10. Honeydew. Another fantastic choice for couples is Honeydew, which focuses on transparency and open communication around finances. This app tracks all your accounts in one convenient place, giving you and your partner a clear overview of your financial situation. It also allows you to set reminders for bills, ensuring you never miss a payment. Honeydew makes it easy for both partners to stay on the same page with shared expenses and offers visual graphs and reports that help you track your progress toward your financial goals. Bonus: Honeydew is free to use with optional premium features available for those who want access to additional perks, such as the ability to hide balances from one another for privacy. Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming, and with these 10 tools, you're well on your way to taking control of your finances and reaching your goals. Which app are you going to try first? Or maybe you already use one of these tools. Drop your favorite in the comments. Let's help each other out. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to turn on the bell for all my latest personal finance tips. Follow social handles and check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below.